let's see this question. We have three equations with three variables. So we observe we have x squared, y squared, z squared. We have positive 1, positive 1, positive 1. Then we have 2y, 2z, 2x. Well, so one way is we could rewrite equation. So let's rewrite the first one as x squared minus 2y plus 1. That equals 0. The second one can be written as y squared minus 2z plus 1 equals 0. Z squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Right. Then we add those three equations. All right, so when we add those three equations, what do we get? Well, 0, of course, we still get 0. Then we have x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we just rearrange this term, then plus 1, right? So let me see. Let me write on the bottom so I have enough space here. So I would get x squared minus 2x plus 1. I would get y squared minus 2y plus 1. Just rearrange them. Plus z squared minus 2z plus 1 equals 0. Three perfect squares, right? This is perfect square, this is perfect square, this is perfect square. So we can write this one as x minus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared plus z minus 1 squared equals 0. So when we solve equations, usually we solve in real number system, right? Real number system is saying anything square has to be non-negative. So that means this term is non-negative, this term is non-negative, this term is non-negative, but they have to add up to be 0. So that forces each one to be 0. That is to say x minus 1 is 0, which means x equals 1. And y minus 1 has to be 0, and y equals 1. Z minus 1 also has to be 0, so z equals 1. Then we add those three ones. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 gets 3. So x plus y plus z, that's 3. Okay, that's for this question.